Hello everyone. Let's learn the E and an O digraph sound. The E and an O, and then we're going to name all the things that has the E and the O sound. Are you ready? Let's go. Now we have two letters here. Letter E twice, and together they are special friends and they make one sound. E. E. Now we're going to find all the things that has the E sound. C. C. B. B. Bean. Bean. Sheep. Sheep. Green. Green. Feet. Feet. Sweep. Sweep. Sweet. Sweet. Tree. Tree. Queen. Queen. Well done, everyone. Fantastic job. Great work. Well done. Hello, parents. Please visit my Etsy store where you will find many handmade resources created by an earliest teacher, that is me, to support your child's early reading, writing and math skills. These engaging and educational resources are designed to make learning fun and effective. I will leave the link below. I hope you like it. Thank you for your support. Now we have two more letters here, letter O and W, and together they are special friend and make one sound. O. 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 Now let's name all the things that has the O sound. Snow. Snow. Cow. Cow. Clown. Clown. Blow. Blow. Owl. Owl. Gown. Gown. Frown. Frown. Show. Show. Down. Down. Bowl. Bowl. Well done, everyone. Fantastic job. Great work. Well done.